When a fast-moving vehicle runs into bugs, it's not a pretty sight, but it can be more than just an eyesore. It can actually do damage to your vehicle if you leave it on too long. Dead bugs can etch or remove paint very quickly if left on too long, especially during the summer months when they can be baked on. So don't wait. Use these easy steps to remove these bugs quickly. Wet the bugs down thoroughly before scrubbing. Use chemicals made specifically for bug removal. Once the bugs are soft, scrub them off and rinse thoroughly. Afterwards, you can use a clay bar to remove those leftover skid marks. For even greater protection, wax the leading edges of your car with a high-quality wax. At Tipton Ford, we use a product called Bug Zapper, and we'll even sell you your own bottle if you want one. Call us or head to tiptonford.com to get in touch. It's fast, easy, and convenient. And be sure to follow our social channels too for more Tipton tips on how you can spend less, drive more.